Clean bulkhead, then use alcohol pad. Peel paper back from side rail stop. Slide notch between box rail protector and bulkhead. Compress seal against box rail protector while aligning bottom guide to inside of bulkhead. Press down to adhere. Peel paper back from weather seal. Align and adhere with top of side rail stop and against box rail protector. Repeat this process to install side rail stop on opposite side. Peeling paper back as you go. Align front seal against side rail stop and inside edge of bulkhead. Adhere across box to opposite side rail stop. Cut off excess. Test shim placement before removing paper by inserting shim between box rail and box rail protector using thin edge. If shim does not fully fill gap, use reversed orientation. Peel paper back from shim and adhere to inside of box rail protector. Repeat this process for remaining shims at each clamp location. Once cover is ready to be installed, ensure vinyl flap is pulled out.